Hi Legends, I'm so excited to do a Maykey Kids read along with you. This book is a really special book. It is called The Internot. It's written by Josh Lawson and the pictures are drawn by Sophia Karmazina. Let's get started. Lizzie loved her gadgets. She loved them quite a lot. Obsessed with phones and tablets, she simply couldn't stop. She'd play locked in her room all day with hashtag gifs and memes. Hours and hours she'd waste away just staring at her screens. Her mother cried, "Please, Lizzie, that's too much internet." But Lizzie couldn't hear her, trapped inside her new headset. Her father said, "Now, okay, look, how about you get a pet? Or make some friends, or read a book. Just no more internet." She doesn't look very interested, does she? But Lizzie was so dizzy with each email, game and text. Her one and only tizzy was which app to download next. She's starting to look a bit crazy, isn't she? Until one day, to her dismay, her phone just wouldn't work. The service bars had gone away. This made her go berserk. And look what's happened. The grandma was cutting the hedge and she's cut the internet wire. I wonder if she did that on purpose. No matter what the girl could try, her vain attempts were dashed. She realized now with no Wi-Fi, the internet had crashed. Oh no! Lizzie turned a greyish blue. Her forehead poured with sweat. She did not know what she would do without the internet. She ran outside to make sure that the cable was okay, when lo and behold, she found a cat, a small, sweet-natured stray. She tried to shoo the kitty, for she had a job to do. But the kitty followed Lizzie and it stuck to her like glue. Oh, that looks like a cute little kitty. Then suddenly she heard a voice that said, "I like your cat." She turned to see a little boy say, "Hello there, I'm Matt." But Lizzie didn't have the time for boys or cats just yet. She said, "I'm sorry, Matt, but I must fix my internet." Matt turned and opened something flat, and Lizzie stole a look. She peered and pointed, "Hey, what's that?" And Matt said, "It's a book. It's full of tales of great surprise, of mysteries galore." Lizzie widened up her eyes and then said, "Tell me more." And so they read the book aloud with the cat that they just met. And Lizzie forgot all about the broken internet. She's starting to use her imagination. Her parents called, "Oh Lizzie, the Wi-Fi's back online." But Lizzie cried, "I'm busy reading with some friends of mine." The sun was shining brighter as Matt and Lizzie read. For the world is so much wider when you leave the World Wide Web. Wow. And you can see at the end, they're both using their imagination just by looking into the water. What a powerful and exciting book. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Thanks for reading along with me, Legends.